Welcome to 1234 Media Bio. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button at the end of the video if you really like it. You can also comment down below for any kind of feedback or suggestion regarding this video, and yes, please do share our video with friends and family. You are like gold, so finally please subscribe to our channel if you wanna do some wonder for our beautiful family, and also click the bell icon so that you may never miss an update from us.
Today we'll learn about the human endocrine system. Let's look at the detail of the human endocrine system. The endocrine system is the collection of glands that produce hormones to regulate metabolism, growth and development, tissue function, sexual function, reproduction, sleep, and mood, among other things. Hormones are chemical messengers that are secreted directly into the blood, which carries them to organs and tissues of the body to carry out any kind of function. There are many types of hormones that act on different aspects of bodily functions and processes. Hormones are secreted through different glands, known as endocrine glands. Continuing. A gland is an organ which produces and releases substances that perform a specific function in the body. There are two kinds of glands: the endocrine gland, which releases hormones, and the exocrine gland, which releases enzymes. Endocrine glands are also known as the ductless glands, because of the fact that their secretions are released directly into the blood, and not through any tubes or ducts. The different endocrine glands are hypothalamus, gonads, pituitary gland, thyroid, pineal body, parathyroid, thymus, adrenal glands, and the pancreas. Here's a diagram of the endocrine system. Let's label it: pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland, thymus, pancreas, adrenal gland, ovary, which are present in female, and finally the testes, which are found in male. Take some time to study this diagram properly. Now let's look into the detail of the major endocrine glands. First is the pituitary gland. This is enclosed deep within the skull, and is the size of a pea. It is situated at the base of the brain. This gland is regarded as the master gland, as it controls the functions of all the other glands in the endocrine system. The pituitary gland stimulates the adrenal gland to secrete cortisol, a steroid hormone. Controls a range of activities, from controlling the body's metabolism, to stimulating blood pressure. The pituitary gland also secretes prolactin, which stimulates the production of milk from the breast. This is the pituitary gland. Now time for the thyroid gland. The thyroid glands can be found at the front of the neck, that sits low in the throat, near the windpipe or trachea. It is brownish red in color, and it consists of blood vessels. It secretes many hormones, that are collectively known as thyroid hormones. The most prominent hormones from the thyroid gland are T3 and T4 hormones, which influence the body's rate of metabolism. This gray gland is the thyroid gland near the trachea. Parathyroid gland. The parathyroid glands consist of 4 small glands that are located behind the thyroids in the neck. They influence the calcium levels in the body by secreting a hormone known as parathyroid hormone. Excess of this hormone can have negative effects, such as brittle bones and kidney stones. The one pointed in the red circle is the parathyroid gland. Adrenal gland. This gland is situated on top of the kidneys, and are no larger than a walnut. These glands produce over 150 hormones, so as to regulate different functions in the body. Adrenaline is one of the most popular hormone, secreted from this gland. It helps the organism to either face a dangerous situation or to avoid it. Such a task is done by the following: increasing blood sugar levels, increasing the blood supply to the muscles, particularly to the limbs, dilating the pupils, increasing the heart rate, and tightening the jaw muscles. The red circle contains the adrenal gland on top of the kidneys. Pancreas. The pancreas is exocrine as well as an endocrine gland that sits behind the stomach. It is roughly 6 inches long and flat in shape. It consists of 5 types of cells, beta cell, alpha cell, pancreatic polypeptide, Pages cell, delta cell, and epsilon cell. Beta cells produces insulin, which regulates blood glucose, sugar, levels in the body from getting too high. Alpha cells produces glucagon, which also regulates blood glucose, sugar, levels in the body from getting too low. The gray part is the pancreas, as you all know. Now the gonads. Gonads are related to reproductive organs, present in both male and female. The ovaries are specific to females, and are located in the pelvic cavity. Estrogen is a hormone that is important for reproduction and female sex characteristics. Testes are male sex organs. Testosterone produced from testis brings out the masculine characteristics in male. More about reproduction is available in the reproductive system video. The first picture is of the ovary, and the second is of testes. Our last endocrine gland is the pineal gland. The pineal gland is located between the two halves of the brain. It produces a hormone known as melatonin, which influences the body's internal clock. It is also known as the circadian rhythm, which influences the body's sleep or wake cycle. Its effects are not really noticeable, unless the individual is sleep deprived, or get a lack of sleep. We work in the day, and sleep at night because of this circadian rhythm. The internal clock molds us in such a way, that it's impossible to sleep at day, but at night. So the red circle identifies the pineal gland. Now it's time to check out the diseases associated with endocrine glands. First is dwarfism. Growth hormone secreted by the pituitary gland is responsible for dwarfism or shortness. When pituitary produces an insufficient amount of growth hormone, it retards the height of an individual. Jyoti Kisangomch, an Indian actress, was officially declared the world's smallest woman by Guinness World Records, with a height of only 62.8 centimeters. Acromegaly. Acromegaly is also known as gigantism. In contrast to dwarfism, gigantism is the outcome of the excess secretion of growth hormone by the pituitary gland. Robert Pershing Wadlow from the United States, also known as the Alton Giant, is the tallest person ever known to record a height of 2.72 meters. Cretinism. It is a condition characterized by physical deformity and learning difficulties, especially in infants and kids, that is caused due to deficiency of thyroid hormones. Goiter. It is caused due to too much of thyroid hormone, especially due to deficiency of iodine. It shows symptoms like excess sweating, weight loss, etc. It also leads to enlargement or swelling of the thyroid gland. Graves' disease. It is also known as exophthalmic goiter, that is commonly found in kids. In this condition, thyroid gland becomes overactive, and secretes too much thyroid hormones. Diabetes mellitus. It is caused due to insufficient secretion of insulin by the pancreas. It is a condition in which blood glucose level is higher than normal. It also leads to excessive thirst, weight loss, frequent urination, etc. Our last disease is Addison's disease. This is a condition which shows symptoms of extreme weakness, fatigue, dehydration, etc. It is caused due to insufficient production of corticosteroids by the adrenal gland. So that's it. Thanks a million for watching this video, and doing a wonder for our beautiful family. I will again meet you in the next video. Till then, just subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss the upcoming videos from 1234 Media Bio.